comments and top 5 winners of the round betting time. 2,000 euros was the highest payout. Well, let's continue. In last 15 games, Pachinko, crazy time from the bonus games. There was 10, some 2s, 5s as well, and the 1s. Chat is fun tonight. Counting, considering the fact that it's Monday night. I love you, Grace. Thank you. I love me too. I love you, baby. And that is Cash Hunt, yeah. With a 5x top slot multi. Woo! Hey! 5x multiplier from the top slot, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Cash Hunt. Alrighty. First things first. Highest multiplier was 100x. Now, let the magic happen. Highest multiplier 500x. Let's go. All right. Now all the icons are doing this, changing the places, and now it's your time to shine, right? Decision time. Choose the item you want to go for, behind which you think the highest multiplier is hiding, and that's it. Multiplier reveal. 372 people are getting 500x. Here they are, shining brighter like diamonds. Woo!
My name is Charles, Lynn, Farrow, Bank, and Bean. The last round, top 5 wins. Let's keep it up in time. Zupchik is here. Hey, Zupchik. Elizabeth, so beautiful. Mwah, kisses. Because of you. You are beautiful. Hi, Elizabeth. Hi, Bella. Just the way you are. Gilla. Hey, hey, hey. We see 7x on crazy time on the top slot. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Ah, we're doing it! Let's go, guys! 7x on crazy time! Woo! Come on! Oh my goodness. Hey! Ladies and gentlemen! Welcome to the craziest place in the universe. Crazy time, so decision time. No, wait a second. 7x, baby! Woo! Oh my! Let's get it, baby! 7x on each one of the segment. Oof. Ooh, you see how beautiful it is? Decision time. Green, blue, or yellow flapper, guys? Oh my! Must you decide to take the blue one? Oh. Woo! Hi. Max Multi, 700x. Let's go! 700x. Woo! Team Blue, you got it, baby!
219 winners, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy your victory. Final seconds. So, Dylan, I'm back. Guess who's back? Back again. Grace is back. Grace is back. Grace is back. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. All right, 25 times Cash Hunt. Man, we had to get it. We had to get it before the previous round. I'm currently working on a paper. I picked a terrible time to come hang out. Woo! 25 times Cash Hunt! Woo! Whoa! Woo! Finally! Finally! I feel like we're gonna set brand new record of the day. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. What the highest multiplier is going to be? 25 times all the numbers. Man, highest multiplier, 2,500x. Let's go for it, guys. Woo! Well, I see the chat is overwhelming. I haven't seen so many positive messages in Crazy Time chat, to be fair. Now it's your time to shine, time to pick the spot where you think that 2,500x is hiding. Let's go. I'm just gonna, do some MVP dance here. All right, 57 people managed to catch 2.5kx, ladies and gentlemen. Mwah, you're amazing. Let's get back to the wheel. All right, welcome back. Highest payout, 187k euros. 187k of local currency, guys. Woo! Shush! Shush!